Hey guys, today we are going to be building a Lego airport helicopter. Let's get started. First you take these two pieces here. Then you take these pieces that you put together. Take this piece, put it right there. But you can put either one on each side if you really want. Here is the other piece. This. Build it. All the same size, what? Mom and Dad are watching Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. So, like that, you got it. But then you take these pieces together. So take take this piece. See? Take this piece right here and put it on this 4-stud red piece, and then attach a yellow 2-stud piece on that, and there you go. Then you take this crazy piece and you put it right up here. See that, kids? Right over here.
Is it a witch's mark, man?
Whoa. And then you take this piece and you put it right here, so that you can only see 2 studs right here. 2 rows of 2 studs here. Because that's what our driver says. Then you have this piece connected to this piece. Boom. Then you take these and you put them on each side right here. Let's see. There we go. And then you take these 2 pieces, put them together. Boom. Oops. Take them, put them together. The mailbox. And that goes right here. See where my finger is? Right there. Okay, see it? Like, subscribe, and comment at the end of the video. This. You need 2 of these. Whoa. And they go on each side of this piece right here. See that piece? But in the middle goes this piece. And then this piece. Cool. So take this piece, gray piece, and then this crazy piece here. Not really crazy, but. And then put them right here. See that? Try putting right there.
He looks ill. He's fine, but that much on serious.
And then you take another one. Put it together. Bees, it goes on the other side. Right up. Falling apart on me.
So, Scram, do you know anything about the Muslim community in America?
I did a few things actually. I never gathered one of the Black source about relations with non-magic people. They not meant to befriend them, they can't marry them, which seems hardly safe.
You should marry him.
Oh, really?
Yes, no, I need Dominic here.
I'm not, but are you? I'm in trouble getting the pieces together. How do you feel when pieces don't go together when they should? Does it make you frustrated? Me it does. Then you take this piece and these two pieces and you put them right here. So it looks like that. Then you put that right here. See this gap? Put that right in there. See it? And then you take this piece and this piece and this piece, these two pieces that are already hooked together.
And so this is the newsroom. Let's go.
And then this piece.
Now we're just putting the pictures to bed, as they say.
So this is how it goes. This
Sir,
piece
never mind that, Parker. I want to see
goes right there.
I'm so sorry, Chocolate.
And these pieces that you put together go like that. See now how it looks like a helicopter now? And then these pieces go right up there. Well, that piece, not these pieces. It's not more than one piece, but that's and then put that right there. Oops. Oops. Not to get frustrated. Just kidding. I don't get frustrated on camera. Sometimes I do, but not today.
What desires infinitely more valuable than money? It's your
Then
influence. Millions of people read your newspapers and they need to be made aware about this danger.
Crazy disturbances in the subway. Just look at the pictures. Like your friends. No, look,
and then take this piece and put it right here. Oops. So this is right there. Right here. So you see how I put it in? Put it in just like that. And then take these pieces and put them in these parts. You know what goes there? You take this crazy piece. It's like an X. See that piece? You take these two, like I showed you first in the beginning, and you take this piece. So let's put them together. Oops. So excited to go to Disney. I might have a Lego Friends or Lego Moana. There's no Lego Disney Friends. Not Disney Friends, are you kidding me? And then so it makes that. And then put that. See that helicopter? See this part? See that part right up here? You put this spot right here. This spot. Still watching Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them over there. Put that right there. Now see how it spins? See? Yeah. And then this spins too. So cool. And then you take this clear piece and see these two things that you put on? Oh, I have to take this off. See these two white pieces? You put, see this right here? That right there. You put that part together in like that. Here's a closer look if you haven't finished it.
So, who are they? This is his commander. He's committed a serious infraction of the national statute of secrecy. He's a criminal?
And then take these pieces and put them right up here.
He's sick. Long story. Mr. Scamander has lost something important.
So cool.
Oh, it is
Before you put that down, get your Lego minifigure. And you put him in this gap here. And you put him, see this gap right here? You put him right in there. Let me get mine on. Then once you're done, close the clear part. See how it opens and closes? Just close it. And so cool. This is the Lego helicopter. So cool. Look at that. That's awesome. So the airmail goes in here. The stickers to put for airmail. So I'm not going to put them on. Thank you for watching. If you subscribed to the channel, and make sure. I have a link in the description. I haven't made any real or fake videos yet. I might make some like today. But after this video, I'm gonna make a real or fake video, and maybe tomorrow you can watch it. See what it's all about. Okay? That's it. That's all the time I have for this video. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and do all the other stuff that other people do. Thank you. And see you next time. Oh, you're ready for me to say it? Okay. Peace out. Be a popular.